Let's learn the letter combinations for the schwa sound. The schwa sound is a weak and lazy vowel sound. It is the most common sound in English. It occurs in unstressed syllables. The 5 vowel letters A, E, I, O, U produce the schwa sound We have A in okra, husband, E in darken, spoken, I in varsity, visible, O in wisdom, method, U in album, ovum. Let's transcribe them. We have okra, okra, husband, husband, darken, darken, spoken, spoken, varsity, varsity, visible, visible, wisdom, wisdom, method, album, ovum. So with these, it will be easier for you to pronounce them correctly. Please like, comment, and share this video.